The biggest lie that's keeping you stuck in your 30s isn't that you failed. It's your need for circumstances to be perfect so you can start again and rebuild. I believe that lie after losing my business, going broke in the process, gaining over 100 pounds and weighing 165 kilos, 365 pounds. I believed I needed perfect circumstances to rebuild my life. What a lie that was. The truth of the matter is, progress beats perfection any day of the week. The biggest con is perfectionism. This lie convinces us that we need a perfect set of circumstances, a perfect body, a perfect bank account before we can even do anything, which is a total lie. In your need to be perfect, life keeps on moving. Your perfect plan will never be perfect, but life will never stop. So ultimately, you stay stuck at point X when you could have been moving to point Y. So, as a result of you trying to chase perfectionism and having everything aligned, you let go of the progress. And what happens? A year from now, 2 years from now, you're in the same position when you could have made so much more progress. So, this brings me on to my next point, which is the cost of inaction, which is being stuck and regret. Perfectionism does not protect you from anything. If anything, it is building a big bill that you're going to get at the end when you get that realization from regret and thinking, why the hell didn't I just do it? No matter how bad or imperfect your plan is, it's always better to work an imperfect plan than to try waiting for a perfect plan, because that will never happen. And when you do get that bill of inaction, regret, you will feel silly that why didn't I just do it? I have been there. I understand what that feels like. It sickens you. And that feeling at the pit of your stomach is like, oh my God, another year has gone and I haven't even moved towards my goals. And I don't want that for you. Genuinely, I don't want that for myself. I don't want that for you. So you have to work an imperfect plan. You will never have a perfect situation, anything in life, whether that's your finances, relationships. Nothing will be perfect. You have to believe that you will work an imperfect plan and things will become perfect. So, where do you start? Great question. Start where you are. If you're 365 pounds, 400 pounds, you want to get down to 200 pounds, like my goal is, start. It does not matter whether you follow a carnivore diet. Do something that you can consistently stick with, whether that's 10,000 steps like myself, whether that's eating single ingredient foods like myself. That's how I began this journey, and I've lost over 80 pounds. I kept it off consistently. Small goals, micro progress, like I've always said, is the name of the game. You are collecting those points along the journey. And then when you do become proficient at that imperfect plan, then you make those little tweaks. Then you start optimizing. Okay, cool. I can lift 3 days comfortably. Let me add another session. Same with your finances. Start saving, even if you are broke. Because I guarantee you one thing, you will never have the discipline of saving if you, when you come into money, if you haven't saved when you haven't got a lot. Point blank, period. So, the moral of the story is, guys, an imperfect plan worked consistently will beat a perfect plan any day of the week, because a perfect plan, a perfect set of circumstances is like finding Pikachu, and they don't exist, baby. So start where you are. And honestly, it will give you so much power. It will transform your whole mindset and increase your likelihood of achieving success. Understand this, you're not alone in this journey. Like yourself, I'm rebuilding. This channel is dedicated to people who are building their lives in their 30s and 40s and creating a beautiful life that they're proud of. You're not alone. You don't have to do this alone. So join us. Until next time.